القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 6, the part 3 of Hamzatul Wasl. In this lesson, inshallah, we will go through some of the other rules of Hamzatul Wasl. So previously, in the first lesson, we learned that the nouns always begin with the fatha on the Hamzatul Wasl if we are beginning on that word. And in the previous lesson, we learned that verbs can begin with either a kasra or a dhamma, depending on what haraka is on the third letter of the verb. In this lesson, inshallah, we will look at how to read the Hamzatul Wasl when it is read in the middle of a verse, middle of an ayah. So one verse is called an ayah of the Noble Quran. So an ayah is one verse of the Quran. So how is it read when Hamzatul Wasl is appearing in the middle of a ayah or middle of a sentence? So the first rule of joining has been introduced to you already in the lesson of sun and moon letters. The rule is when the Hamzatul Wasl is being read as a middle word of an ayah, then the Hamza will be skipped completely. The haraka on the last letter of the previous word will join onto the first sakin of the second word. So for example, in the first example, we've got minas samai, minas samai. So we can know that the noon here is being connected onto the first sakin, and the sakin is included within the shadda. So we've got minas samai. Alright? And the other one is that the last haraka here, which is a noon, is being connected directly and joined directly to the bod. So it's فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ. The first two examples, I actually emphasize the ba too much, but let's do this. فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ. And the reason why I've done that, because the verse continues like that. فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ بِعَصَاكَ. But don't worry about that. What you're concerned with is this haraka of the fatha is being connected directly onto the dad. So this is pretty straightforward. What we need to look at is which is the last letter, the last haraka of the previous word, and where is the sakin on the Hamzatul Wasl. So if it's in a shadda or an actual sakin, you'll be connecting that there. It doesn't matter if we need to miss a couple of alifs or a hamza, we go directly onto the sakin. So minas samai or faqulna dharib. So this one has a med, and that's why I have put that there. For A's to indicate that. Let's have a look at some practice. So we have this waw is going onto the first shadda, onto the first sakin. So if you can see where that is, if you said that's on the sad, then well done. Was-salati, was-salati, was-salati. Okay, and the second one is this fatha is going on to the noon. If you said that, well done. أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ. The last one, the next one, this kasra is going on to the name of Allah. رِزْقِ اللَّهِ رِزْقِ اللَّهِ رِزْقِ اللَّهِ. With this one, the fatha is going on to the shadda. ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمْ ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمْ ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمْ. So that's pretty straightforward. And the last one, this fatha, this is the last, this is the haraka which is being joined onto the sakin. فَقَتُلُوا فَقَتُلُوا فَقَتُلُوا. Actually, this one is a good example because fa looks like it's joined onto the same word. Actually, fa is a preposition by itself. So in here, or connective, in here, we will see that the fa, even though it's connected to the word, same word as the Hamzatul Wasl, what we're concerned with is what is the last haraka which can be connected to the sakin. So this is the last haraka which can be connected onto the sakin. So if you have a look, you've got some examples and you should practice this. In fact, we can read this together. We can read a couple of lines together and you can do the others yourself. So we say فاتقوني 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 وقتلوهم 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 عند المسجد عند المسجد عند المسجد. And I'll do this one because it has the other type of ha here. إلى التهلكة إلى التهلكة إلى التهلكة. So this is fatha is going directly onto there. Okay, we can see here that we're missing 1, 2, 3 letters before we get onto the actual connective. So be careful of that. Inshallah, you can go through this yourself and practice the joining of the Hamzatul Wasl.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.